Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about cryptocurrency or Ethereum or Bitcoin. Crypto flip shader news. Anchor gains 50%. BlackRock's Bitcoin Trust Huobi sell takes Ethereum crisis rally. Zip makes restores withdrawal. Anchor release 50% after a strategist investment from Binance leaves. BlackRock launches a spot Bitcoin private trust for institutional clients. Huobi founder to sell $3 billion stake. Bankman Fried and Justin Sun interested. Ethereum crisis rises to a 4-month high as the merger approaches. Zip makes restores Ether, withdrawal. Binance recovers 83% of funds stolen from corporate finance. Anchor release 50% after a strategist investment from Binance Labs. Anchor, a Web3 investor provider, released more than 50% in an hour to set a new 3-month high after a positive announcement. Although NQR has been steadily inching upward since June 18, this is its biggest daily gain. The 24-hour freeze chart for Anchor shows CoinMarketCap. Anchor traded as high as $0.05625 for the first time since May 8. NQR has gained 80% over the last 30 days, moving the token in for the top 100 cryptos ranked by market cap with $464.5 million. The rally comes after a strategic investment from Binance VC Army. Binance Labs NQR is known for building some of the core infrastructures of the BNB chain and introducing BNB liquid staking. Although the amount of investment remains undisclosed, the forecast will be used to expand NQR's RPC service while building out its Web3 developer suite. This includes liquid staking DK, Web3 gaming SDK, and application channel as a service. Flip shader Anchor RPC public domains were recently hijacked by a group of hackers who used them to run phishing attempts on Polygon and Phantom networks. Why you should care? The investment comes just days after Anchor revealed that it had negligible token staking on its first level and could help expand the service. Okay guys, maybe just this. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.